This is a video about how to fix water leaks on older Amana heavy-duty pull-apart washers. There are a lot of videos out there for the washers that unbolt at the agitator. This is an older model where there are no bolts near the top of the agitator. This has already been disassembled to make the video a bit quicker. After unplugging the unit, you will pull off the top and second parts of this agitator for cleaning, which I have yet to do. Then this agitator will just pull out. Notice there is no bolt or nut on the inside of this agitator. This agitator will pull out. That will reveal the one bolt or nut you will run into during this operation. On the top of this, there is a 7/16 hex bolt, which I have already taken off with an impact wrench, which makes the job a bit quicker. Set that aside. Make sure you don't lose it. This unit, as you can see by the extreme damage I've done to it, was mistakenly diagnosed as a threaded unit. This is also a pull-off unit. This you will reach inside. I used a pry bar on both sides underneath to lightly pry upwards and remove the unit. At the bottom of this unit, which you can see I've already moved, there is a water seal. This seal down here, if it is not ripped, can be cleaned and reused. Mine was ripped. I'm going to put a new one in. I have found the best way to drive this back on is to find a 1 7/8 inch socket. If you do not have one, borrow one. See if someone can rent you one, perhaps at an auto parts store. Placing the seal unit upside down in the socket will allow the socket to drive the hard part of the seal onto the drive shaft of the unit. We take the whole assembly and, using the socket as a driver, place it onto the seal and then drive it down lightly with a rubber mallet or a light hammer. After that, you're just going to reverse the disassembly process by putting down the drive unit, driving it downward again with a rubber mallet or a small hammer, putting the nut back into the top and tightening it down lightly with the impact, and then pressing your agitator and your softener cups back into place. And that should fix any kind of leaks you have on an older Amana or maybe Maytag Whirlpool heavy-duty washer unit from the 90s.